Hello viewers, today we're at Los Cristianos Market. We'll just take a wee look around, I'll show you what some of the stalls are offering today. The market's open every Sunday and Tuesday, 9 AM to 2 PM. And if you know Los Cristianos, you'll know this market. It's just next to the Arona Gran Hotel, across the road from the Big Ben pub, Jades Bar, East End Bar. Lots of jewellery on sale. €5 for t-shirts, Vans, Boss, Fila, hair braiding. Don't think there's as many stalls as normal open, but it's still pretty busy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Kevin. Do a lot of walks around the Canary Islands, mostly Tenerife, some other places. If you're interested in that, hit the wee subscribe button below the video, it's absolutely free. And a wee bell next to it for all notifications. Very, very hot today. At 10 o'clock this morning, it's 28 degrees, I don't know what it is now, it must be over 30. 3 t-shirts, €10, not bad. A good selection of bags here if you're looking for a bag. Plenty of caps for sale, and you'll need it in this heat. Protect your head. Fan, tempted to buy that right now. A lot of football tops here. Barcelona, Arsenal, many others. Spurs as well, Chelsea. No St Mirren tops, surprised at that. Would have bought one as well. You can see it's reasonably busy. Some rock t-shirts here, AC/DC, Nirvana, Metallica. Obviously got the Beatles. Stuff here for children. The perfume stall. So you can see that they really cater for everyone, there's something for everyone in here. Give me a comment below, have you been to Los Cristianos Market? Do you always come here? Got a mask on just now, so sometimes the speech might not be that clear. I'm just conscious, I don't want to get too close to people, so I've got the mask on. And it is very hot. Here's the magic belt. Need a new belt, so I might actually get one of these later on.
Hello.
Hello there. A dancing t-shirt, I've not seen this before. How much are they?
We do before 20, now 17 euros.
Okay, 20 euros.
Hello, hola, good morning. Oh, you can wash. This is come off. Yeah. Just choose what picture you like. We have all size.
Okay. Thank you. Interesting. That's a good present for somebody. See you later.
Right.
Dancing t-shirt. The Arona Gran in the background, doing renovations there. Planning to be open the end of September. Doing a lot of work. Give me a comment if you stayed there before. I know a lot of subscribers have stayed there.
Same as me.
So just a wee walk today showing you Los Cristianos Market. Maybe you've not been for a long time. It was shut for a long time there. It's not long reopened. More football stuff here, towels, strips, etc. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like Tenerife videos, you might want to subscribe to the channel below. Click the wee red button that says subscribe. If you can do me a wee favour, hit the thumbs up, the like button. It just helps push it out on YouTube a wee bit. Check out the channel for more videos all around Tenerife. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next videos.